So in this question, we are being asked which system of inequalities best represents the graph that's shown below. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to look at where the line intercepts on the y-axis. So we know that our y-axis is here, so our line is going to be right in here, and that's what we're going to look for. And where this crosses over is going to be at -2. That's this right here. So I'm going to mark that in green or red. And then now we look at to find the region that is shaded. So we can see that the region that's shaded is right in this area right here. And you have to ask yourself, is it below or above -2? So for this, it's going to be above. So knowing that it's upper, we know that the y is going to have to be greater than -2. So if we look at our options over here, these last two are saying that -2 is greater than y. But since we're looking for our y, which is in the shaded region, we know we can cross these two out. So we're just going to make an X through those because that can't be the answer. So now we're going to use the formula y equals mx plus b. This formula is going to come in handy when we're trying to solve this. So m, also known as the y-axis, it is going to cross over where we see it. So right on here, we can see that that's going to be 1. So we make an X right there, and we know that our X is going to equal 1. So now we're going to write out our equation to solve for this. So we count 1 up from this one to do the rise over run. So we're rise over run for our 1 right here is going to be 1, 2, because this is where it meets up again. So that's going to be 1 over 1, or equals 1. So we know that our m equals 1. There we go, just like that. We know that 1 plus 1 equals 2. And our y value is -2, because we got that when we were up here, which we marked right here. So our y equals -2. So the correct answer is B, because it can't be. That's just saying that y is greater than -2, which we got when we were right here. We have our -2 marked. We have our y, which is greater than it. And we have x plus 1, which equals 2, is greater than 1. So the statement is correct that y is greater than -2 and x plus 1 is greater than y. Thank you for watching, and come back for more.